If you think accounting is just number crunching and spreadsheets, think again. In 2025, AI is transforming how accountants work, what they focus on, and the value they bring. And if you're in finance or business, this shift impacts you too, whether you realize it or not. Welcome to SkillSync AI, where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping work, one job at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of accounting, a field many people associate with back-office tasks, tax time stress, and endless Excel formulas. But that's changing fast. In 2025, AI is automating the routine, flagging financial risks, and turning accountants into strategic advisors. Whether you're an accountant yourself, managing a finance team, or running a business, understanding this shift can help you work smarter and stay ahead. Let's break it down. What's driving the AI revolution in accounting? Let's start with the big picture. Accounting isn't disappearing, but it's being redefined. Several trends are driving this shift. Explosion of financial data from digital platforms, increased demand for real-time insights, rising pressure on firms to reduce manual error, a shortage of qualified accountants in many regions. Enter AI, and suddenly, tasks that used to take hours can happen in seconds. What tasks are being automated in 2025? Let's break down the major functions that AI now handles. 1. Data entry and reconciliation. AI tools like Vic.ai and Zero AI scan invoices, match receipts, and reconcile accounts automatically. They detect mismatches, missing entries, and duplicates faster than humans. One firm reported saving 40+ hours a month just by letting AI handle expense reconciliation. 2. Transaction. Categorization. AI classifies income and expenses based on past behavior and context. It learns over time and flags anomalies that might suggest fraud or accounting errors. This helps teams close books faster and with fewer errors. 3. Audit support tools like MindBridge use AI to analyze journal entries for unusual patterns. Auditors get risk scores for transactions, helping them focus on red flags. It's like giving every auditor a digital detective. 4. Report generation. AI can generate P&Ls, balance sheets, and budget forecasts with dynamic visualizations. Chat-based AI assistants inside platforms like QuickBooks or Oracle now explain reports in plain English. This frees up accountants to spend more time on strategy, less on formatting. How the accountant role is evolving. So if AI is doing the busy work, what are accountants doing now? 1. Strategic advisory. Accountants are shifting from data processors to decision-making partners. They're helping clients or internal teams interpret financial models, optimize cash flow, plan for expansion or downsizing. It's about insight, not just input. 2. AI oversight and governance. Someone needs to understand how the AI is working. Accountants are increasingly tasked with reviewing model outputs, testing for fairness and accuracy, documenting data flows for compliance. In other words, you don't have to code, but you do need to ask good questions. 3. Process automation. Leaders accountants are often closest to the workflows, and that makes them great candidates to lead automation projects using Power BI, Alteryx, UiPath. The ability to design and monitor a process is now just as valuable as knowing the tax code. Tools accountants are using in 2025. Here are the tools you'll find in most AI-ready finance teams. Bookkeeping automation. Zero AI, QuickBooks AI. Auto-categorize, reconcile, report. Expense management. Expensify, Ramp, Zoho Expense. Receipt scanning, approvals, policy rules. Audit intelligence. MindBridge, Audit File, Validis. Risk scoring, fraud detection, forecasting, and modeling. Giraffe, Planful, Oracle AI. Budgeting, what-if analysis, cash flow tools, AI copilots. ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, ChatIQ. Explain financial docs, answer accounting queries. You don't need all of these. But learning one per category can boost your efficiency dramatically. What's not going away? Let's be clear, AI can't do everything. Here's what still requires a human, and always will. judgment in ambiguous situations, e.g., interpreting new tax law, ethics, especially when advising clients or signing off on reports, client communication. AI can draft emails, but only you build trust complex problem-solving, multi-entity consolidations, mergers, or forecasting in volatile environments AI can suggest. But humans still decide. Challenges to watch for adopting AI in accounting isn't without friction. Some current challenges include model transparency, black box outputs, without explanation bias in training data. AI trained on flawed data may miss key red flags, data privacy, especially with third-party tools handling financial data, resistance from staff, fear of job loss or steep learning curves, over-reliance, assuming AI is always right. The solution: strong governance, ongoing training, and keeping humans in the loop. How to get started with AI in accounting, even as a beginner. If you're an accountant or finance professional wondering where to begin, 1. Audit your current workflows. What's repetitive, rule-based, or error-prone? 2. Start with one tool, like a smart expense scanner or automated report generator. 3. Take a free course. Sites like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and ICAEW offer AI for finance primers. 4. Join AI Plus accounting forums, LinkedIn groups, Reddit, or niche communities. 5. Ask your software vendors. Many tools now have AI features built in. You may already have access. The future of accounting isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine. AI is taking over the repetitive, error-prone tasks, freeing accountants to think bigger, act faster, and lead smarter. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, and maybe even get promoted because of it, hit subscribe to SkillSync AI. Drop a comment. What task do you wish AI could take off your plate? And join us tomorrow as we explore how AI is transforming one of the fastest-paced roles in finance, the financial analyst.